Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows Update service keeps getting disabled. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Windows Update service, change startup type to automatic, click start, click apply, click OK, restart the service. Second method is type system configuration in Windows search bar, click system configuration. Click services tab, check hide all Microsoft services, click disable all, click apply, click OK. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Fourth method is reset this PC. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.